Actually, an onion. Look at the shrimp down there. You see the shrimpy? Yummer. Go with your chicken. There's two of them. Is there two shrimp?
Taco.
Taco. What? Where? I don't see a taco. Where? Ah. Cook likes tacos. Well, is this place fun? You like the library? Beep. I hear a beep. And I see a chicken. What are you going to do about that chicken? Eat it. Eat the chicken. Oh, nom, 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 nom. That's a big chicken. Nom, 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 nom. Taco. Taco, 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 taco. Sushi taco.
I think you're kid.
Oh, you don't like peppers?
Yeah, we're young peppers.
Oh, careful. What is that?
No.
No, you don't want it orange?
That's it.
What's that? Sushi taco? What is that? Let me see.
It's a chicken.
Oh, it's a chicken. Oh, that's a bread. That's like some kind of a roll. I don't remember what kind of bread that's called.